Alright, my charger is not working, so we're going to have to move quick, right? I thought I would do like a Urban Express belt change. Just a simple video. Cover the basics. So we got a little 10... Are we looking in there? Oh, yeah, I know I've got a low battery, bro. I just record the video, please. Don't tell me about it. So we're gonna see what we can do. So we'll remove the Kickstarter lever. That's what she's called. Pull it right off there. And then we need to remove the belt cover. I just use just use 4 screws. And then I just hold the that shaft there. Do we got another screw in here that I don't know about? I don't think so. Usually I just use the 4 screws, right? Yep, they're all out. She just wanted to give us a what for. And then, is this a 17? Well, yes it is. 17 here. And just sneak it. Do not disturb your gears, right? Keep them in place. And we're going to try out the AX31 on this. Again, sneak it over your gears so you don't create more work for yourself. Can you guys see? This that'd be disappointing, right? I can't see anything you're doing, mate. Maybe where can I hang thee? Anywhere? Anybody? 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 Is that any better? Here, see? That's what we're looking at. So I just, put it back on. I'm going to review this video later and say, couldn't see anything for the first 3 minutes. And then to get some slack in the belt, do that. I really think this AX31 might be the best belt for the Urban Express. I did, 50 miles an hour with it on the black one. And this is, the blue and silver one is the kitted one here. So we put every... Did you guys see that? Was I moving too quick? Might have been anyway. So I'm going to take this outer cheek and put it on. There's a washer and then a nut. I like to tighten the nut by hand and then employ the impact wrench. And then right in here you got this spring. Tuck that back in. Push your gears in. And grab your gear as you put the cover on. See how I got my thumb on it, right? And then 4 bolts. Not exactly Okay, then I don't screw them all the way in here to begin with. Just most of the way. Most of the way. Most of the way. Most of the way. Put on your Kickstarter. Let's see here. Which way does she go? She goes like this. Okay, this will just slide on real easy. Maybe apply a little grease or lubricant there. The bolt for the Kickstarter should screw in easily by hand. And then you can tighten it from there. But I'll just get it started. And then, to finish the job, hold the cover, push the Kickstarter down till it engages, then finish screwing this in. And then tighten your kickstart lever bolt all the way. There we go. And that is that. Urban Express belt change in 6 minutes and 30 seconds. And then, you know, if you want to test it, you can... Oh yeah, we're good. We're good, brother. We're good. If you mess up your gears, well, you know, you'll have to work on that. And you can see my little nitrous inlet here. We were going to get out and try the nitrous today, but it's 34 degrees out and there are snow flurries and the wind is strong. And I always, you know, when it gets warm, like the first time in spring, and then it gets cold again, it always feels much colder than it really is. Because normally, you know, 34 degrees, I'd ride in it, but it feels so freezing cold after it's gotten warm, you know. And that's just weird how that is. So let me see if I can charge this up and give you some more project updates. Right back.